Good day to you, madam. My name is Mr. Ezekiel. You?
My name is Madam Gift.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Do you know anything about making cartoon video animation with your phone?
Not at all, I wish to know it. Can you teach me how?
No problem, I will teach you. But firstly, let me do a little introduction about it.
Okay sir, that will be good.
Cartoon animation is a good method of advertising these days. We also make this cartoon animation to catch fun, for lyrics, poem, and lot more. We can also use this cartoon animation to advertise our business. We can even use this animation to advertise for people in paid form, which means we use cartoon to advertise for people and we charge them to pay an amount of money. Many people out there like something like cartoon, it attracts people more.
Wow. This is very nice.
That will give more selling opportunity to that particular business.
That is a very good method of advertisement.
Yes, it is. You can even use it to create awareness of an event, to call the attention of the public to a particular event. All the information you wish the public to know will be contained in the cartoon animation video.
Wow. What a surprise.
It is even more useful than what I have explained, but I will make it short like this because of time.
Thank you very much, sir.
Let us thank God.
Sir, I would like to know more about this cartoon animation, how to make it from beginning to the end, and how to make money with it.
That is not a big deal.
Okay, sir.
What you will have to do is to just subscribe to City Show Media TV, click on the bell icon, and try to like the videos and share with your friends.
Please, can you explain more, sir?
Just log into YouTube on your phone, search for City Show Media TV, click on subscribe, and click on the bell icon. That is all.
Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate, sir.
You are welcome.
Please subscribe, like and share.